What I'm doing here is testing a thermostat from a Whirlpool tumble dryer, just to make sure it's good. So I'm checking the how many ohms it's got, and it's 1.4 or 1.2. That's good. These tumble dryers normally have two thermostats. This is the other one. That was completely damaged, and if I can show you down here, you probably can't see in the dark, but that's one of the wires. It's just burnt out. These other ones are from the good ones, good one, and these two rubbish leads were from the failed one, and I think that's the reason why this tumble dryer wasn't heating up, because it obviously needs its thermostats. So there you are, that's how you check whether the thermostat is any good or not.